Me say nobody can convince me say this helicopter tragedy was a normal tragedy. And I say accident. No. Me say ebinim hubi, ebinum enim hubi. Me say. Ti ha. Yanum a weke taisi no. Yanum e weke the mechanical parts of the helicopter. You understand? So empo crampo no answer na A2 kra. They knew say enkusi. They knew say enkudu. Me say, I can say this on record. Say omu weke machine no. So before the machine took off, they knew say oh bye bye for the last. Enkusi. They knew before the movement. They knew. Enra made dana about battery. I did not shock me. Many gusu say ya made dana about battery. Yeah. Because not my dream ye me say. Sebio tafrache senka. Ekwaye Mampeni Mahama. Na mekanisa not to downplay those who died. No. But nyame can say program or no na a Mahama program. Mahama was the guest of honor. Helicopter no nanka it was a Mahama na efo. Ena Mahama entimi anko. Ena utu Omane Boamah mo say omonko enkosi na nemu. Ena chopper no ankodu. Eti ni ana eba madwemu ne say yemfa ne say empo senka na Mampeni Mahama ka ho a. Saminka Ghana or my winka ye ne den. Nka ye yaba o mining ka bo ka bibia gija Saminka ye nka bibia betimi esi e wo Ghana ha. I'm telling you the facts. Enra me da ho na adwin we ya ensem se ya na enam adwin mo. Because mo sha de enra me program me ka kire mo say Mampeni Mahama was the target. Me ka kire mo. Look at this. This is what Dr. Omane Boamah posted 2 days ago before the ill-fated trip. And he said, the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources will officially launch the Responsible Cooperative Mining and Skills Development Program on Wednesday, 6 August 2025 at Obuasi Black Park at 9 o'clock a.m. Black Park at 9 o'clock a.m. This is the banner. It will have banner also say launching of the Responsible Cooperative Mining and Skills Development Program. John Dramani Mahama, special guest of honor. Itime senanko se Mahama na eko ena wentimi. Uyi na nemsi na nemsi anemu anamenka ne say yes, people to win represent him. Uyi omo Omane Boamah mutalamo. Ena sebi ya nkudu. Ena ene tragedy we ato Ghana man. Enti wo ankasa fako wadwe mu se senka na empo Mampeni Mahama eti chopa no mu a. Sa menki awie imagine se Mampeni Mahama Omane Boamah mutalamu nyina ewu at the same time. Ki awie. Ka this nation is finished. Ka we are done and done for good. Every enra Kevin Taylor ain't mean kasai. Now me who say some of you are, set move bisa say, hey, na Kevin Kasa na da bena Kevin Beba live when you date because you are waiting on Kevin Taylor to bring you, all the details. Meaning pa Enchibia, Kevin Taylor will be live. Enra, this is the only thing Kevin Taylor is posting here. A candle light in the dark photo with a heartbroken heart emoji. This is the only thing 14 hours ago. This is the only thing that Kevin Taylor posted. I didn't know I hate it. Now, be rest assured, they say, Kevin Taylor ever live, you will get every detail. Be rest assured. Because on the na soon actually, he can see further than some of us. It is be rest assured, they say Kevin Taylor ever live, any details be able here be a sabeka. Meaning say by now Kevin is working, gathering all the info. Now the time or the day you see Kevin Taylor live, no say you are going to get nothing but the authentic info. Me say yanum ni mubi. That's the shortest message. Me say the yanum eni mubi enye kwa. You cannot tell me say ye kwa. Because before Chopper Pabe to say carry mpanimfoɔ of that magnitude no. Or say ka ye checking the BBA who say BBA juma correct. BBA juma correct. Oh yes. Na empo pilot no and cause a year obia or work many years of the experience. But in this case, information means secretary said the pilot they didn't have so many years of experiences. Yeah, so from Brocheba and Chibia. Any time chopper is I say I move them to Obuasi. Yes, here kwa ni bodiem na form say ya Santa because yes airco nana teba form. Edi na chopper airco na teba form. I might not know so much in aviation and planes and helicopters and what have you, but mu amunim kakra. Question is say helicopter say yen working no bibi animu a sebi you say bibi a ye den e na say enam soro be 1,000 feet na teba form kakra ye den na teba form sa to say e bo dua mu ehwe form say banyan and then yahre sebi you 8 prominent people. 8 prominent people. Now, this is from Daily Graphic. Or say, a government delegation led by Chief of Staff Julius Debra visited the family home of the late Dr. Omane Boamah in Efiduase to commiserate with the bereaved. The team, which included Health Minister Dr. Minta Akando, Presidential Aide Joyce Bawa Maktar, and NDC National Chairman John Asiedu Nketiah formally broke the news to the minister's mother, Letitia Omane Boamah. She was later escorted to Accra by Dr. Akando for further support. So, as you can see in the photos, NDC Pennyfor state officials visited the home of Dr. Omane Boamah and all those who were involved in the tragic accident. As you can see in the photos, and I no, very sad. Timedia me say nobody can convince me say JJ Ekadenki Kuno. JJ, he was smart. Usuka so hono. Baby anko say eye ne officer ankasa no wantena ho. O sheda change no efesi baby a say ebia o te ho ye adwuma o face the main gate of the castle. Say na bia bibia ni a obehu ni a yekoso adwane dem. JJ was smart. And yes, I'm saying Kayanum Kuno. JJ, he was smart because he knew say the NPP anom ujimia obekuna free ho. Yeah, I'm telling you, these people can kill for anything power. John Kuma ebesine yenim yekuno. JB danko ebesine. Eko Hereford mu ebesine. Ede e pa ne kun sankofu. Yenim autopsy yente hwe me de mente. What dia me de binim. All these people died. Tragic death. Owo ya one we borrow and fie one second kun JB danko one second mini ayimu a MP mu a ewura ne dem one second tragic ebesine. These people, you are joking with them? You are joking with the who? NPP. You are joking. Munye careful. Say don't joke with the NPP. They are dangerous. They are dangerous. Say what the nkofu we di agro. But me ebesi Ghana hano. Ene Enra ya the same Enra after the tragic accident, ABM or say. Helicopter 9G ADW with 4 people on board reportedly makes emergency landing at Ajumako Kokoben due to poor weather. Enra the same Enra morning helicopter back also SRBK emergency landing. Enra the same Enra Black Wednesday the same Enra. Make sure say amount for weke me say ya no mo weke. If you na queen I was say Omane Mahama careful. Sa Air Force for plane now watching onyai onfa jata de no so e was say 24/7 ye guard no. Yes, jata de e was say 24/7 me bopa munyi me meda ho me say me kete ho awen plane no because we can't afford to lose Omane Mahama. If today we have lost tragically we have lost Omane Boamah Mone Mutala Moa sebi that is a big loss enough. We can't afford to lose Omane Mahama or any other member, high-profile member of the NDC. No, naturally, sebi. There's nothing human beings can do about it. But such tragic death, tragic accident, plane crash, helicopter crash, we can't afford. You know, Mampani Mahama epa more high me meba meda ho me sekete. Baby ajata sie bia meda ho amadia me wen, because we want Mahama alive. At all I don't care how much it will cost. Mahama must remain alive to accomplish the mission. We can't afford to lose him. Etimunye careful. You must tighten the president's security. Must be tightened. Baby onam, baby a okobia, baby oda. It was some tighten the na ho Bible sem. It will say here because you people are dealing with principalities. These are dangerous bunch of criminals. You have no idea. The NPP, they are dangerous. I'm telling you the facts. Ebiom, or say, President Mahama suspends all his scheduled activities, programs, following tragic helicopter crash. Declares 3 days of national mourning. Yenina, if for the next 1 week in Aresha Black in Kwa. Ye no be anshe black. Ye nia brepa. Se would Jimmy ba me blast to bruta. Ye nia break say call. Say me say eka de. Anka asem boni ebe to Ghana no ebe chen. Eka de. Because program no na Mahama program. Helicopter no na eye Mahama dia. And I went me anko. Nya make wunti ase. Ye JG ye chiremo the number of attempts they made on his life to try to kill him. You not believe it. Nekabisi castle. Today the castle is a museum, tourist center. Ufi US bar, Abuchiri bar, Germany bar, Russia bar. Visit the place and see the car for yourself. You shoot it, JG. Now they never knew say the glass was bulletproof. They never knew. They shot JG. They shot him. Say kana a car no more be na otimu anka yikon intem. Inti JG na onfa na ho Bible semu ni agro. Yes, JG na onfa na ho Bible semu ni agro. JG, no way, because he knew these people. And until now Okachemu said the NPP no never ever underestimate them. They have been there for so many years. In fact, Ghana, it is one of the oldest parties in Ghana, NPP. But they keep changing their names from UGCC to Hwan to NLM to DND, the same bunch of criminals. And I name one and ne yabedru samre. It's not JJ and fan a home Bible semuni agro. Me say ka ni sikaso sesi ayekase. Esi o osukaso. Christian Borg esi o. Ya bonu tuo. JJ they shot at him. Pay. Sana glass no wa bo ho be ni ho. Ti bullet na timi rep. They never knew. It's a bass and a JJ a grounded car because he knew said they have seen the secret. Next time, they'll use grenade, something more powerful than a gunshot. These guys are dangerous. Me say, you people are dealing with dangerous people. The funny thing is, say, NDC are dream, oh, there be politics now you play. They are not our enemies in Tino, but in the mind of NPP, you people are enemies. Yes. That is something that the NDC must understand. Say, maybe say we are just playing politics. But for them, you fan walk up. Omunyamwa ombe common. That's what we say. Omunyamwa they'll kill you. If a mother can kill her own child, what about you, your child? If a mother can kill her own children, then somebody's children. That one they go crowd. If these people can kill their own members, then you, NDC, they'll finish you. You must wake up. Think. Oh dear, once now also, the remains of the 8 fallen high-profile citizens have officially arrived in Accra, Ghana. As you can see, remains in Omunashi. It will enso. Ya de kwa forensic enso. Omu nyina hye yehu ti na yehu nan na yehu sa omu nyina na meka wo se plane no nanke Mahama dia program no nka anko se Mahama na eko na wantimi anko meka wo da bia for you to understand the level of criminality and dangerous this thing that we are having in this country. So the people we are dealing with, you have no idea. They are murderers. They are nation wreckers. They have no fear for God. They have no fear for humanity. They have nothing. All they think about is power and money. These people, bastards. They are bastards. The only thing they think about is power and money. Finish. They don't care how much it will cost. They can kill hundreds of people just to gain power. Yantiga, Apiati ebesine ekufa donka huase. 30 man, 8 people ebesine onka huase meboa. I'm telling you, say, protect the president. Mampani Mahama Ahobanbo is highly important. Okay, this plane na ekofa and sono free the crash site ho eba krano enye.
Leading to the release of the bodies any moment from now. We see in your shots the Muslim clerics and also the pastor here at the Ghana Armed Forces moving towards the aircraft. They will perform some very brief ceremony, and then the bodies would be sent into 8.
Yeah, and the bodies, you know, Abedru Accra and crime. These are the boy. We grab message about a young son. Any body bang. Yenti one of the eyewitnesses. Why? Bra se mo se body bia ba me se eyenso body bia di bia eyenso omashe bodies ni na she drebe nothing. There is nothing there. Nothing. They have been bent beyond human recognition. Just a forensic. E beti me ache say okay asumesi ni we anya sade a emis ye hu hwe. Listen to this eyewitness.
Na wutra
ye sore no pa ne ye kuafo ye kwafom na baby ye fo so ben forest no enti e bra ye wo fo ma na ti se bibia blast ti ye adwo se plane be se ne kona na ahwe fom ti ye be kona ya kwahwe se bi obi afra to no ohia mo bia ye ti
edikai mudi kai hu plane se plane bi ba
plane ba aha yi din kai hu se plane na ba enti ancha na plane no e blast ye gbugum ti ye tie ne ye nim se plane na ahwe fom enti ye be ko forest won ya kwahwe na obi hia mo bia ya boa no ampa mene bla ba ko e frɛ ne gyasi ene ye se ye ko ti ye si forest la na ye kro na ana o ka kire me se obi ba ti ni pa kro no me hwɛ ya na ye madam fo ba ko e frɛ ne Gideon ono oba ma ne o de boy an se pray na be se na tiato e megya dem a e hye ne emu nipa nyina ahye ti ye se won ko kire ba bia pray ti e bra o de ye kokora no ono kora no won sa hu ba bia pray no kora no etito ya o de ye kontie ne nam forest na ani ye kwa ya ne nam me pono so a ne ko se jane de wo soro ijane de wo soro ti ye kwa ya no na ye no kwasem na ye pray no atofom e boduam wo soro duam e wo soro ti e bo mu sa no na ti be hwe fom atofom no ejatom ama ye kwa ne na de enipa ye di nka hu no ba ko de no wahye masabe ne hu nyina hye ama wono da ho na ba bia pre ne te atihwe pa na ne jane dende ne yentimi hu nipa o mugu ho but ne jane so jane na de kase pa anti ne yentimi hu enipa wo mo ho baba ko ne de na ejana hye no ama wono oda nchen na ba bia ne jane de pa ne de ne yentimi hu nipa wo mo ho ba pre ne de na ne nyina hye pre ne de ne nyina hye
enti eba sa no na moye ni pasen die mokoduro die na moye
die koduro die ensa me koduro na me nkurafo enti eno achi ana bla ba ko ba na ye fre no ba wo mia wo krom ha ya oba ho no okurafo ana ye se okurafo de a fra samle man na bona man ye se de asie ni ba ye de ye wa ha ye ne de information ma assembly man se de asie ni enti anche ye hu de na fa de dom bebre na mokwa no so ba na mokwa no so ba aha enti
answer me jawo no se dampaya forest ni ni
dampaya forest ni semusa bas kamabru field dampaya no
enti ususu se anopa be tamben
ba me de na me watch e bomi ya na ma buy the phone na me don't na watch ne mommy enti madwene mu de na ya time be time mu
10 a.m.
aha time be pa ho kra na mpa ho kase bia sa anopa time aha
tama muhu play no oboase na eko aha so nya oboase na musa na aba form sesen
e pa cho ba bia ye gina odu ani hwa ha ya efiri ha ya na eko ye ni ayefo da anu se no yeti plan enti wo hwa sabi po wo ye si hoi sabi po wo ye si wo tintin ya
bipo na
bipo ya menu mienu gina bontim ha ya ni tuai eno so na plane etitoy eboduam awo soro na ti be hwe fom
say what o si yeti plan radi ankopon wa hwe ya de arehosem kra ba ese o si yeti plan o si plane no be na etiba form helicopter no be na etiba form ya working no system no na enye adwuma mechanical fault enti plane na air ko nyina nko say it mean maintaining the feet I nam we the air ko nyina na eba form sa uncontrollably enti eba form one ebodua mu na e form say ya prime eni jatom all bodies were bent, all people on board were bent beyond human recognition. And you are here telling me say kwa obra na program no eye Mahama program say play no say Mahama na efo. You are here telling me say kwa menye conspiracy theorist too. I am telling you these things based on evidence I'm in saka. And you make so nyansani bia dim say I'm making sense because enkofi ayebida enkroma you try no rolling several times. So they can do to Mahama because me say they never ever thought to say Mahama Besaba. They never thought. They thought say ANC or Ghana have you. Say Mahama akon oko for good. Enti Mahama bana oba ahye nkofo no. And oba enso say resetting cheche chema wutu moni adenti ama nkofo no me say omani abre because they know say oman so be Mahama obegu NPP animu ase ma say yanhwe ya they will never ever come back to power. So they want to do everything possible to eliminate Mampeni Mahama. I'm telling you this fact. This as a fact. Say we are dealing with dangerous people and the president must take caution. Yes. Same way, say if you people can recall NDC winning, the first messenger me send him NDC. Me catch them say Mampeni Mahama ahoban bo. Mama mfeni agro. Me yesterday I said prayer for Mahama. My Yankuma de amano. Say Mahama ebeti me for the next 1 month, a man in full plane beer. Until things are brought under control. T say Mampeni Mahama ebeti me for the next 1 month, men full plane beer, helicopter or plane, no aircraft. Until the situation is brought under control. Because we are dealing with people who don't fear to shed blood. They don't fear. Blood is nothing to them. People who are this is the NPP. They are wicked, they are bad, they are treacherous, they are dangerous, and you must tread with caution. If you are dealing with the NPP, you must tread with caution. Ayesa, oma you be that, ya try be that, and chroma. Me say northern region here, eka denki etenite, rolling severally. You bonito in broad daylight by JJ Tinekamu. They aim that thing bonito. The smartness and the save you. Until way Mampeni Mahama, nyame na save you. Next time ma also what dream and save you. Because nyame save nipa ba ku mienu miensa. Me the way I dey understand nature. Nature will not save you 1, 2, 3. It save you ba ku a patch or say niaka no you swat dream na bo ho ban. Say when you swat dream dey na wa DJ. It's simple as that. Take me say because news no ba na eba as the news are coming I will definitely come back here and I'll give you the latest updates. And me demo ebesi me din the chairman Freemind. Enjoy the rest of your time and I'll see you in my next video. Bakram.